and welcome to our group presentation. Today we will be talking about the challenge that companies face when technology is always changing. And we will focus on one of the biggest tech companies in the world, Meta, the company behind Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp. First, we will share a quick background about Meta, including its company history and an overview of its organization charts. Next, we will look into how Meta uses technology and how this change have helped the company but also created some problems. We will explain both negative and positive impact of this development. At the end, we will share our conclusion and give some recommendation on how Meta can improve the way it handles this fast change in the future.
Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Muhammad Rahizam bin Muhammad Rafi. My matrix number is 2025147219. It's a pleasure to have this opportunity to present about one of the most influential and fascinating technology companies in this world, Meta Platforms, previously known to many of us as a Facebook. In this presentation, I'll be sharing an overview of the company's background and organizational structure. Let's begin with how it all started. Meta is one of the biggest digital firms globally and dominant force in social media. What began in a Harvard dorm room grew into a platform that connects billions around the world. Facebook was officially founded on February 4, 2004 by Mark Zuckerberg and his college roommates Dustin Moskovitz, Chris Hutch, and Eduardo Severin. Over time, it evolved from a simple social network to a company that now includes image sharing apps, messaging service, and virtual reality platform. The company's headquarters is located in Menlo Park, California, known as the Meta Campus. The main building, MPK-21, was designed by renowned architect Frank Gehry, featuring open collaborative workspace, rooftop gardens, and eco-friendly designs, reflecting Meta's focus on innovation and employee well-being. Meta initially focused on social networking, allowing people to connect, share updates, and create communities. It launched Messenger in 2011, acquired Instagram in 2012, and expanded further by purchasing WhatsApp in 2014. Today, over 100 billion messages are exchanged daily on Meta platforms, and more than 200 million businesses connect with customers through its apps. Next, we have an organization structure. Meta uses matrix organizational structure different from most large corporations. This structure promotes creativity, flexibility, and quick response to market changes. It allows corporate teams to manage global operations effectively while giving product division to freedom to innovate. Now, let's meet some of the people driving Meta's success. Mark Zuckerberg, Chairman and Chief Executive Officer. After creating Facebook, he led the company to global dominance and as of May 2025 is the world's second richest person with a net worth of $221 billion. Second is Tom Ellison, is head of Facebook. Third is Adam Mosseri, is head of Instagram. Will Cathcart, head of WhatsApp. And the last one is Stan Chodowski, is head of Messenger. Today, Meta operates 6 major communication platforms: Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, WhatsApp, Workplace, and Oculus, collectively connecting billions of users worldwide. The company's data infrastructure that includes 17 data centers, all powered by 100% renewable energy and operating across more than 80 cities globally. That's all from me, so I'll pass this presentation to Aisha Akila.
My name is Nur Aisha Akila bint Akmal. My matrix number is 2025124881. Today, I will be sharing the positive impact of Meta, formerly known as Facebook, and how its technological development have brought meaningful change across society, the economy, and innovations. Social connective and inclusion. Let's begin how Meta connect people and promotes inclusion. First, through initiative like Free Basic, Meta provides free access to essential online service in underserved regions. This helps bridge the digital divide and support access to education and vital information. Second, Meta empowers content creators. Programs like Stars, branded content, and Reels bonus allow creators and influencers to earn income from their work, especially in areas where traditional media jobs are limited. Third, Meta fosters community well-being. Facebook groups and Instagram provides safe space for people to connect, whether it's parenting, chronic illness, or mental health supports. Meta also works with NGOs to deliver tools and resources for emotional help and crisis response. My second point, economy, development, and innovation. Let's look at Meta roles in driving business growth and innovation. Meta supports small and medium enterprise through tools like Business Suite, which offer advertising, engagement analytics, and many outreach solutions. Many small businesses have expanded beyond their local market thanks to this platform. In the tech job sector, Meta's investment in virtual and augmented reality has sparked demand for careers in 3D design, VR content creator, and spatial computing, building whole new industries. And in emerging markets, Meta helped traditional businesses embrace the digital economy. In regions like Southeast Asia, local vendors now reach broader audience and increase their income using Meta tools. The third point, technological advancement and research. Lastly, Meta contributes to global progress through research and technology. Its AI innovations are used for social good like disaster mapping, detecting harmful content, and translating underserved language, creating a safer and more accessible digital space. In the medical field, Meta's VR technology is now applied in phobia treatments, physical therapy, and surgical training, revolutionizing how healthcare professionals learn and patients recover. And finally, Meta actively supports open source development. Tools like PyTorch and Vertex are shared freely with the global tech community, driving research, innovation, and accessibility.
A big problem is the loss of privacy. Meta's business relies a lot on collecting personal data to show targeted ads. This has caused major issues, like the Cambridge Analytica case, where data from millions of users was used for political purpose without their permission. Next, Meta has also been criticized for spreading false information through its algorithm. Facebook's system often boosts shocking or controversial content, which has led to more fake news, especially about her during the COVID-19 pandemic, and made political division worse. Another big concern is how Facebook affects people's mental health, especially teenagers. Studies show that using Facebook a lot can lead to more anxiety, depression, and low self-esteem. This is often caused by comparing themselves to others or being bullied online. The app is designed to keep users online longer, which can make it addictive and reduce time spent with people in real life. For example, a teenage girl might feel sad or insecure after scrolling through Facebook and seeing pictures of others who seem happier or more successful. If she also gets mean comments on her posts, it can make her feel even worse. Instead of spending time with friends, with family, she might spend hours on the apps, which makes the problem worse. Another negative impact is Meta's move into the metaverse has created new ethical and legal problems. These include collecting body-related data through VR device, the risk of people being harassed in virtual worlds, and the lack of clear rules to protect users in this digital space. Inside the company, Meta has been criticized for shutting down responsible innovation team, the group that check for risks in new technologies. Critics say this show Meta now care more about launching product quickly than about ethics. Investor and human rights groups have also raise concern about how the company is run, especially because the CEO, Mark Zuckerberg, has so much control. This makes it harder to hold the company accountable and be transparent.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Syafiqah Husna binti Nurozi, and my metric number is 2025508323. So, overall, Meta has done a lot of cool things, especially with connecting people, helping small businesses, and using technologies like AI and VR. But at the same time, there are also many problems that came along, like users' privacy being infected, fake news spreading easily, and mental health issues getting worse, especially among teenagers. Besides that, newer technologies like the metaverse bring new ethical issues that are hard to control. That's why we can just focus on innovation only. We also need to make sure it's safe, fair, and protect the people who use it. To address these challenges effectively, several recommendations can be implemented. The first one is Meta should strengthen data privacy protection. This includes introducing clearer policies on how user data is collected and used, conducting regular independent audits, and providing transparent communication to users regarding their personal information. Second, an independent ethic and oversight board should be established. This board should consist of external experts in technology ethics, human rights, and digital well-being. Their role is to review new technologies and features before they are released, ensuring that innovation align with user safety and social responsibility. And the third one, efforts to improve digital literacy and reduce the spread of misinformation must be prioritized. This can be done through educational campaign and by upgrading algorithm to the limit of visibility of false or harmful content on the platform. Not only that, it is also important to promote a healthy digital environment. Meta should design features that help users manage their screen time, access mental health resources, and encourage meaningful and positive interactions. Lastly, leadership and decision making structures within the company should be diversified, reducing over dependence on individual power and encouraging more inclusive and transparent governance can help the company make more balanced and fair decisions.